This video describes how to group your participants for the Where Shall We Go to Lunch activity. The purpose of this activity is to provide examples of how different behavior combinations react to the same situation. This activity occurs early in the workshop and is the first time you invite participants to move. We intentionally group participants by similar expressiveness scores for this activity, as it helps establish a level of comfort and expedites learning. As a reminder, this is what the seating chart looks like for the activity. To set up this activity, you'll use the 7 behavior cards given to you in your Associate Starter Kit. You'll group participants by similar expressiveness percentile scores, and then assign specific cards to each group. Please note, there may be situations when you need to use less cards, such as a shorter time frame, or you have fewer participants. In these scenarios, we ask that you use the 5 most common behavior combination cards at a minimum, as displayed here. To group your participants, first decide how many groups you want for the workshop. Aim for 5 to 7. Then reference the Expressiveness Spectrum report to create the groups. Here's an example of how to use the 5 most common behavior combination cards for the activity. This spectrum shows 28 participants. To start, I divide 28 by 5, resulting in 5 groups of 5 to 6 participants. Then I count down the spectrum and make groups of 5 or 6 participants. Here's what the groups look like populated in the PowerPoint. And these slides show which cards are assigned to each group. Here's another example using all 7 cards referencing the same spectrum of 28 participants. To make 7 groups, I'll divide 28 by 7, resulting in 7 groups of 4 participants. Then I count down the spectrum to make groups of 4 participants. This is what the groups look like populated in the PowerPoint. And here is how to assign the cards to each group.